Hello and welcome to Chapman's Learning Videos. My name is Laura Chapman and I run and own Chapman's, a residential lettings and management company based in Edinburgh in Scotland. This presentation is all about the importance of protecting yourself and your property investment, and it talks about why we encourage our landlords to make sure they have a power of attorney in place. When Chapman's take on a new landlord, we ask them for details of their power of attorney. We are then often asked, well, what is a power of attorney, and why as a landlord do I need one? A power of attorney is a legal arrangement that enables someone else to manage your affairs on your behalf when you are no longer able to or no longer want to do so. Most people associate needing a power of attorney with illness and incapacity. However, from our experience as letting agents, there have been occasions when a power of attorney would have been, or indeed did prove, invaluable. A will is also very important, as a power of attorney ceases on death, and the only way a landlord can appoint someone he trusts to manage his estate is via a will. There are two types of power of attorney, one for property and financial affairs, and one for health and welfare. You can find out how they come into play in different circumstances, as shown in our brief client case studies that can be found on our website. We have a number of case studies on our website which describe some of the scenarios our landlords and Chapmans found themselves in where having a power of attorney proved to be invaluable. In one case study, we examine what happened with an investor landlord who lived abroad. The investor owned a portfolio of properties and needed to organise a refinancing of the entire portfolio and also have some major repairs carried out on one of his properties. In the case study, we discuss how having a power of attorney allowed him to do all of this without having to come back to the UK, and how having a local power of attorney allowed the work to progress smoothly, which ultimately saved him time, money and stress. In another case study, we discuss a situation where sadly one of our landlords died. We look at the specific circumstances and what Chapmans were able to do to assist. And in another case study, our client was diagnosed with an incapacitating illness and the family home was rented out to help subsidise the new accommodation costs. In this case studies, we also have some expert commentary from a leading Edinburgh law firm discussing the implications of each scenario. We intend to keep adding case studies to our website, so please do check in from time to time and see how else they can play a part in your property owning journey.